Body current affairs. US-Iran talks in Muscat. Iranian FM Abbas Araghchi represented Iran. US represented by Witkoff and Kushner. Netanyahu Trump met on 11 फरवरी 2026. Strait of Hormuz. Iran temporarily closed. World most critical choke point between Iran and Oman. UAE connect Persian Gulf of Oman in Arabian Sea. Handles 20 or 25% of global oil and gas trade. Hormuz Island. Iran is called Rainbow Island due to its hematite-rich red soil. Operation Epic for USA. Operation Lion's Roar. Israel against Iran on 28 फरवरी 2026 killed Ali Khamenei. Operation True Promise for Iran targeting Israel and US bases in the Gulf. IRIS Dana. US submarine sank Iranian missile frigate near Sri Lanka. Name of peak in Iran. Venezuela amnesty bill introduced by acting President Delcy Rodriguez to release political prisoner. US arrested Nicolas Maduro and trial in New York court. Cyclone hit by INS Gharial carried barely breeze materials to Sri Lanka for post-cyclone reconstruction. Critical Minerals Ministerial. S. Jaishankar attended the inaugural in Washington, D.C., hosted by USA Forge Initiative. France, Canada opened consulate in Greenland capital Nuuk to support their NATO ally Denmark. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Russia US high-level military communication re-established now after talks in Abu Dhabi suspended in Nekis. Egypt Turkey high-level strategic cooperation council. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan co-chaired second meeting in Cairo. Next meeting in Ankara. Russia-Ukraine US second round peace talk in Abu Dhabi. ASEAN India Digital Minister meeting ADGMIM 6th edition co-chaired by India Vietnam. Adaptive ASEAN from connectivity to connected intelligence. BRICS Center for Industrial Competition BCIC. India joined to strengthen industrial cooperation launched with UNIDO in April 25. G4 meet India, Japan, Germany, Brazil renewed their push for UNSC reform at Munich Security Conference. 26 Germany Jaishankar participated Board of Peace first meeting Washington DC 19 फरवरी. Trump chaired. 49 countries attended including 27 members. India participated as observer. Kampa represented India agenda Gaza reconstruction. International Stabilization Force 5 countries pledged to contribute troops. Albania, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Kosovo and Morocco. India and USA signed a trade deal reducing US reciprocal tariff on Indian goods from 25% to 18% plus removed 25% punitive duty. US-Bangladesh cotton deal zero tariff pact may hurt India textile export and disrupt raw cotton trade. Bangladesh is largest buyer of Indian cotton. Spain banned social media access for children under 16, the first country in Europe to do so. India sent Devino Modi relics of Lord Buddha Gujarat to Sri Lanka for public display in Colombo. World Government Summit 26 Dubai. Theme Shaping Future Government. India China $100 billion trade deficit first time. Seychelles President Patrick Hermani visited India. Gulf of Cooperation Council. India signed term of reference for FTA and the bilateral trade is $70 billion. 100 million Indian workers in 6 GCC countries: Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, headquartered Riyadh. US launched Project Vault to build critical minerals stockpile. PM Modi visited Malaysia on South Articulate Impact Framework. Foot and mouth disease. South Africa launched first locally produced vaccine. Virus Greece. Israel outbreak. Currently India ranked second globally in leadership in energy and environmental design certificate. Green building topper China. Japan Liberal Democratic Party won snap election. Sonei Takaichi appointed Prime Minister. First female of Japan. Ibu Baron Indonesia longest measured snake. India announced 175 million economic assistance to Seychelles. Somalia signed a defense cooperation agreement with Saudi Arabia. Tariq Rahman of BNP Swarna is the PM of Bangladesh. Nitai Roy Chaudhary, only Hindu minister. South Korea and the US conducted the Buddy Squadron joint air exercise. Russia blocked WhatsApp for not complying with domestic law. Brazilian President Lula da Silva to second state visited attended second AI Impact Summit. Hydrogen Fellowship Program India and Netherlands launch of green hydrogen research. India signed a 5-year agreement with UN World Food Program to supply rice for global hunger relief. India Germany held climate talk in Delhi to strengthen climate adaptation cooperation. Human Capital Initiative Conference 26 to be held in Riyadh. UK named as country of honor. World Seafood Congress 26 Chennai, first time in India. Theme Sustainable Solution for Inclusive Growth. NATO launched Arctic Sentry, a new initiative to strengthen security and coordination in the Arctic region. Israel Parliament Nest awarded the Speaker of the Nest Medal to President PM Modi. India France Special Global Strategic Partnership. India and France elevate ties during the India AI Impact Summit 26. India Greece signed a joint declaration to boost defence, industrial and maritime cooperation. India UK Defence Cooperation. India Air Force will train British fast jet pilot. 19 UK India Air Staff talk New Delhi. India UK Offshore Wind Task Force to boost offshore wind cooperation. Second India Arab Foreign Minister meeting Delhi, first time in India. Vice member of Arab League. India France DTAC amendment, a revised tax impact to prove tax certainty and investment flow. Double taxation avoidance convention. End of New Start treaty 5 February. Expiry end of the last nuclear arms control pact between USA Russia, signed in 2010, came in force 5 February this year. US withdraw for Indian International Solar Alliance 5 years after joining ISA headquarters Gurgaon, Haryana. Launched 15 by India France COP21 in Paris. Third International Ayush Conference and Expo held in Dubai World Trade Center. Theme evidence-based Ayush intervention for mind-body health. Poland excited Ottawa Convention mean ban treaty reversing its 2012 ratification. International Criminal Court Rodrigo Duterte, former Philippines president, to face pre-trial over crime against humanity. India AI Impact Summit Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, first time in Global South. Themes Sarvajan Hitaya Sarvajan Sukhaya, welfare for all, happiness for all, organized by MIT and India AI Mission. Digital India Bletchley Park, Seoul, Paris. Three Sutra people, human-centric and inclusive AI, planet, environmentally sustainable AI, progress AI for economic growth and innovation. 7 Chakra focus area, human capital, AI skilling, social inclusion, safe and trusted AI, resilience and innovation, scientific collaboration, democratizing AI resource, AI for economic growth and social good. Bharat Bistar launched in Jaipur, AI-based multilingual tool to assist farmer in crop planning and pest attack. Guidelines for Vande Mataram protocol at official event by Ministry of Home Affairs. Vande Mataram should be played before Jangan Man if both are performed. Origin from Bangdarshan. Anandamath, B.C. Chattopadhyay are Tagore first sung in INC, Kolkata. R.M. Saini chaired 96 May adopted for all India occasion in INC session in Banaras. Adopted first two stanza as national song by Rajendra Prasad. Duration official 6 stanza version 3 minutes 10 seconds 190 seconds. Occasion for official playing, flag unfurling ceremony, arrival or departure of president or governor, before or after address by the president or governor, national parade and investiture ceremony. Bio Asia 26 Hyderabad theme, Take Bio Unleashed AI Automation and the Biology revolution. India will host the world first international summit on big cat conservation in 26